Avro supports many data types. Primitive data type, string is a primitive type in Avro, and a complex data type. We have seen this structure. The type record is useful when we want to define fields that will match our data. The way we define each field is providing the name of the field and the type of the field. But we can also, for a field, adding additional parameter like order. In this case, we specified, we provided the value descending to our parameter order in this field. By default, the order have a ascending value. If we don't want our field to be sorted, we can give the value ignore. Avro also supports the type fixed. Is a way to add a constraint to the size of our data. We also have complex object type in Avro like array. So we provide for this field the type object, and that object we have to specify the type of that object. In this case is array, and we need also to specify the items type. The items types could be any data type supported in Avro. In the same way, we can define an object that have the type map, and the value could be any data type supported by Avro. The case for this map can be should be a string. Avro also supports the type enum. So this is how we can define this type in a field. So the most important type that Avro supports is a union. Union is a mix of many types. Let's say if, for instance, our data doesn't match an extra field we added for a schema, that extra field will be ignored by Avro by taking the right type. But if, for instance, that field is present for that data, Avro will take the right type. So we need to specify by default the type null. Okay, so if this field is not present in our data, Avro will just, let's say, it's just consider this field doesn't exist. So this is very useful for schema evolution. We have seen some of the functions that Avro tools provide, like from JSON to JSON get schema. But we have many other functions, like from text. If we have a text format that we want to convert to an Avro format, we have two texts. If we want to deserialize Avro format to a text, we can concatenate two Avro files. We can also generate Java code for a given defined schema. I already told you that we can define our schema, our Avro schema, using idle definition or JSON definition. But if our schema are defined using idle, we can convert the idle schema to JSON schema. Okay, so we have many functions that Avro tools provide that will help us to manipulate data in the Avro world.